In this video, you will learn, is Paypenny safe to use? Paypenny is generally considered a safe platform to use with transferring money and provides users to follow the best practices for online security. The platform uses industry standard encryption protocol to protect personal and financial information during transactions. Additionally, Paypenny is registered and regulated under the Financial Authority, which ensures it adheres to security and compliance measures such as anti-money laundering and Know Your Customers regulations. However, as with any online service, users should remain cautious and mindful and watch out for potential scams. Always verify the recipient information before sending money and be cautious of unsolicited requests for payment. It's also important to use a strong, unique password for your account and enable two-factor authentication if it is available. If you encounter any issues or have any concerns, contact Paypenny customer support. This is the best way to ensure your transactions are secure. Like any financial platform, using due diligence and ensuring your personal information is safeguarded can help you enjoy a secure experience with Paypenny. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.